Everybody go.
Nag-video ka?
Two, six, next. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, dili pa na ka makagtaro.
Kana may sparring eh.
And three, go. One, two, six, next. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Here we go. Turn. Ako. Okay, sit down, guys. Okay, so isa na magawa sa self-defense number 1, taas kamay. Okay, very good. How about self-defense number 2? Laga na. Okay, so you have to practice at home. Practice sa bahay. Para makuha din ako, no? Proper. Then also, condition for number 1 and condition for number 2. And also, basic movements for like that. Para sa May 10, ready na tayo for promotion test. Okay? Then, bago mag-promo, kailangan naka-dubok ka tayo. Isa na naka-order dubok. Tapos kamay. Naka-order ng form. Andrea. Actually, katong nag-order, katong una na yung bata lang, no? Ay mga anak niya naman mabot, pero sa Thursday na lang mata. Okay, katong una nag-order, by Thursday na anak niyo ang dubok. Katong lane, kasi mabot ko lang po, by Thursday ka po lang kumata. Katong lane niya nag-order sa uniform. Okay? So, see you again on Thursday. Okay, that's it. Then Saturday, wala tayong training ano man, kay natin tournament sa Tagum. Wala rin. Wala tayong players na mula. So after Thursday lang tayo, Thursday lang. Okay, sir? Good.
Tapi gamay yung bata bro.
Kana unak anak ko tong kaisira ng luwa na stado.
Ha?
Louder.
Kanang batang bayi?
Again. Louder.
Ah.
No more movements. Okay, go. Ano sabihin? Ayun. Louder. Go. Bangla. Okay. Somebody will lead from white left to the right left. Sige. Wala ka si Riley. Wala si Steven Spon. Isa mag-lead. Liam, go. Go. Everybody, face the front left. Sige. Ba na lang. Beauty na lang. Go. Everybody. Saryan? Kimre. Ano sabihin? Very good. Okay, reference. Correct. Ano sabihin? Okay, to the blood. Scenario. Correct. Saryan? Correct. Last game. Hi, good. Thank you, sir. Okay, very good. See you on Thursday.
Balay sila.